Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today we're going to talk about the top 3 Amazon KDP keywords that are low competition and high demand. We're going to discuss the keywords with you today, as well as their specific score and some ideas to help you get started on working with these keywords and creating amazing books with them. Now, if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We do videos talking about passive income streams such as Creative Fabrica, Amazon, KDP, also writing on Medium. So you can find the subscription link in the description box below, and let's get started with our first keyword for the day. So we'll be discussing 3 keywords today, and the first keyword has an amazing keyword niche score of 68, and the keyword is affirmations for the inner child, a total results of 534 and an average price of $11.92. And this wonderful keyword right here has some great best-selling books, both in the low content as well as in the medium content as well. So there's lots of ways you can go around with this. Affirmations for inner child. There is some coloring books as well that include some quotes that we'll be having a look at. So I'll just open up this example right here. There is also some daily affirmations book that seems to be a medium content, and there is also some specific children's book that is more of the ABCs about Filipino culture that revolves around affirmations for inner child. So there's a lot of ways to go about it. You can create a book that contains affirmations and then bundle them up in a themed design. You can create a children's book. You can create a coloring book, a journal about affirmations for the inner child, more like a creative prompt journal, and have it that way. So for example, let's have a look at the book right here under this keyword, and it is titled Coloring for Inner Child Healing, Relax and Free Yourself from Stress, and it is a KDP low content coloring book that is priced at $7.99. So we'll have a look at the inside of the book as soon as it opens, so we can see what kind of coloring book it is, and just get an inspiration, not to copy but to get inspiration about this specific keyword. So the book has opened, and we can see inside we have some lovely coloring sheets. With this book belongs to an introduction to the coloring book, a quote as well, and a simple coloring page after page with affirmations for the inner child. And this one says, I will always protect you. So simple coloring book. Let's see how many pages it is. And it keeps on reloading, unfortunately. So it is 124 pages, 8.5 by 11, and it is currently ranked in medical psychology pathologies. No idea why it's received that rank in that category. Post-traumatic stress disorder, which kind of makes sense, and popular psychology pathologies. And it has 1 customer rating. Let's go to the second book for second keyword for the day, which is books to help kids with separation anxiety. And it has a wonderful keyword niche score of 55, total results of 308, and an average price of $12.35. So for this specific keyword, you can create so many different things. You can create a medium book that is more of a children's story book to help them deal with separation anxiety, and you can use graphics from Creative Fabrica. You can create a prompt journal for children to help them with processing their anxiety to do with separation. You can create a coloring book, a affirmations book, anything to help kids with deal with separation anxiety. And you can also create for girls, for boys, for toddlers, for kids 5 to 9 years old. This is a children's book that is an activity book to help kids manage their worry and fear. And we'll just go click on this. It has a wonderful bestseller rank of 9,025. and we're going to have a look at what's inside. The rest are more a combination of workbooks and children's little short stories. So the book has opened right now, selling for $9.79, and it has 160 pages targeted towards children 5 to 9 years old. So it's open at the moment. We will just see the look inside feature if it's available for us, so we can take a sneak peek, look at what's going on the inside, and see if we can have some ideas to make our own book. So there is the front cover when Harley has anxiety, and the copyrights page, dedication page, table of contents. It's quite interesting. It's introduction to parents and caregivers, introduction to children, talking about emotions and worries and helping with anxiety. Now you could have a prompt journal inside. You don't need to have it all to do with writing. You can have a prompt journal with some creative writing for children to help them with their anxiety, a coloring book to help children relax and process their anxiety. This person has made a wonderful effort to create an activity book that revolves around the theme of this character right here, and just created a prompt activity book. For example, here this is a page about emotions and processing emotions and trying to name some words that mean worry to the child. So great idea right here. Let's have a look at the final keyword for the day, and it is books to help children or kids calm down. Books to help kids calm down has a wonderful high keyword niche score of 69 and a total results of 395, average price $11.69. And we have a couple of really wonderful children's books that are ranking quite well. So if you are looking at creating children's books or children's activity books in this case, which is something that we mostly can do, you can go ahead and create a book under this keyword. Now this book that we just had a look at, that was ranking for another keyword. The keyword that we talked about, books to help kids with separation anxiety, is also ranking for the keyword books to help kids calm down. And this is a wonderful way to get your books ranking, so that the author has decided to include one of the two keywords in both the title as well as the 7 keyword slots right here. So we've talked about this keyword, books to help kids calm down, keyword niche score of 69, books to help kids with separation anxiety, keyword niche score of 55, and the first keyword was affirmations for the inner child, keyword niche score of 68. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.